Welcome to zekeLabs, Campus to Corporate Bridge Program. We understand the challenges that college graduates face during the transition from college to corporate job. What you study in colleges is the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn. Not having enough hands-on experience is a major challenge. You lack the knowledge of right tools and the best industry practices. Faced by all these challenges, we understand how difficult this must be. This is where you get the helping hands. We will start with expert sessions on emerging technologies. The Campus to Corporate program is completely hands-on. Starting from writing the code during the session, to assignments, tests and projects. Here are some of the features that we provide through our learning management system. Watching recorded videos of live sessions on our LMS portal. Access to lifetime code and project repository. You get to learn additional skills including Git, Linux and the developer tools. You get graded assignments and industry-relevant projects. You also get access to industry-relevant case studies and white papers. Expert guidance for certification is also a part of the program. Let's bridge the gap from campus to corporate, together.